Hey, how you doing? This is Robert Williams, and I just want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video. I'm really going to show you how the software works, all the components to it, and you're going to be amazed, okay? But quickly, this software mainly consists of four basic parts. The first part being what they call a data miner, or it's pretty much like an advanced lead scraper, okay? And you can scrape from about six different engines, including Backpage, Craigslist, Google, Bing, such and such, okay? So that's cool, and it extracts the leads into a CVS file or Excel spreadsheet or any kind of spreadsheet program that you have, so it's fairly easy. The second part to this software is called the phone broadcaster, okay, which is very nice. You can call thousands of people a day, leave a single message, have the when they do a press one campaign, when they press one, you can have the phone rerouted to any number, you know, your number, your wife's number, your secretary's number, whatever, okay? And this is the part that I really like here. You get unlimited sales funnels. And basically a sales funnel is, of course, like a web capture page. Basically, you can use it. I mean, I don't care for whatever business that you're in, you can use the sales funnel to bring the clients in, get them to opt in, and you can also have videos on there, okay, which is real cool. As you can see, there's a little sample down there. And the other part here is the on-demand webinars, okay, which you can create your own webinar, and you can also time them to whatever time that you want them to start or finish, okay. So I'm pretty sure that everybody, especially if someone's in multi-level marketing or something like that, they watch a lot of webinars, okay. And as you can see, that's a little sample, little webinar page right there, 607 cash. Okay, so let's get to the nitty gritty and hold on to your seats, okay. Okay, this is the data mining portion of the software. By the way, the software is called Automatic Lead Tools. It's one of the best pieces of software I've used in my business. I use this 3-4 times a week, so I know it's an excellent piece of software. And basically, I use it maybe like one or two things, and that to me is a value in itself. Besides everything else that comes with this. But this is a data miner, and as you can see, you can screw from Google, Merchant Circle, Bing, Craigslist, and Backpage. And I'm just going to show you what I do usually, especially if you're doing like if you want to send out postcards or doing business to business leads. I can actually take we'll go to Merchant Circle, okay, and we'll just say car insurance in Chicago, okay. So I'm sorry, Chicago, okay, hometown, and we'll say Illinois, and we'll just search for let's just say we'll just say home insurance, okay. Okay, so if you're, okay, now let's see how many leads we pull up. We're going to go ahead. Now, as you can see, it says, please wait, compiling your list. So I'm just going to pause this till the end. It's probably going to take about a minute or two. So, okay, as you can see, it's been about 40 or 50 seconds. I've got approximately 1,600 leads for home auto insurance in Chicago. So if I'm doing a business-to-business campaign, and I'm, looking for insurance agents, then boom, I got them right there. Now watch this. I'm going to close this. It's already downloaded in your extracted list here, so we just hit download. Okay, see it says, I don't know if you can see that now, but it says Merchant Circle, which is MC, Home Auto Insurance, Chicago, Illinois. That was my search terms, and today's date, September 8th, 2015. Okay, so I'll go ahead and download that. Okay. And I'll make it open up in Excel, and so this is what we got here, okay? All these insurance agencies are in Chicago. Now, what do I want to do with this? Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll just close this out, okay? Now watch this. We'll just hit don't save, okay? And actually what I'll do is I'll actually go to this little printer icon here, and all those leads, as you can see, we've got 81 pages, okay, 20 on each page. All of them here are ready to be printed for label paper. Just put your label paper in the computer, and you can do page, 1 through 80 or 1 through 20, or however you want to do it. and it'll automatically print up labels. I'm sorry, address labels, so that you can stick and put them on your postcards and send them out. It's that easy. Okay, now we're in the phone broadcasting platform. As you can see, we'll just go right into it. Basically, these are one of the lowest rates in the industry, and this is also FCC compliant, which means it will not call cell phones. And so, those that's the law. You cannot phone broadcast your cell phones, not unless they're using the actual landline to purchase the actual landline to and they're transferring their calls to their cell phone. Okay, that's the only way their cell phones will get called. We'll show you a few features here. This is you can send yourself a test call after you do your message. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and just do this one just so you can get a little taste of it. Okay. Hello.
Hello, my name is Rob. I'm the owner of Big Dog TV and Electronics here in Chicago. We're a local television repair company, and we're calling your business because...
Okay, so that's my message. You can upload your own message or a voiceover if you want to, which is real nice about this. As you can see, this is a prepaid in increments of $20. Okay, I've already spent $15, but look how many people I've called. I've called 1,000, that's 1,100. I've called over 1,300 people for $15. Okay, now is that a deal or deal on advertising your business? Okay, this also, let's see if I can go to it here. That's where you add your contacts, create a new voice broadcast, name it, description, what do you want the caller ID number to come up when they look at the phone, when they receive the phone call, the times. You can transfer. You can do a press one message, which means, hey, how you doing? My name is such and such. I can give you, $500 off your auto insurance this year. For more information, press one. And you actually, when they press one, they'll actually be transferred to your phone or to a phone number of your choice. So say if you got people working for you, your secretary or someone else, it'll go there and they can get all the information from them. As plenty of options, leave a message, wait for silence, okay, which is pretty cool. Also has real-time stats as the broadcaster is going there. There's like two things that you can view as far as stats. This one here, okay, it tells you, of course, on call, 227, 97%, things like that. You just have to look over it and see. Then we also have this here, this little computer here, which is, now this is pretty much like the real time as it's going. This will start, filling up, and you'll start seeing the numbers come up here. So that's pretty cool. So this does work. It's very effective. I've used it plenty of times. I've got a lot of calls from my business, a lot of press ones. So that's pretty much the phone broadcaster. I don't want to go into too much detail, but that's pretty much about it. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the sales funnel creator, okay? So we'll just go to sales funnel. And this is just a few sales funnels pages that I've made. Take a quick look at them, okay? We'll just go here. Okay, as you can see, that's 607 cash, and they enter your name, okay? And this is quite... it's compatible with Aweber, GetResponse, or GVO. Okay, so they'll go into your once they fill in the information, they'll get sent the access code to make sure that the email is legit. Okay, and that way they can go on to the next part of your sales funnel there. Okay, let's see here. Go back here. Oops, that's not it. Okay, we'll get lost here, I guess. Okay, there we go. Sales funnel, and I have to do another one here. This is another one here that I created. Okay, as you can see, got a little video there once again. Come down, show me more. Okay, like I said, this is for your business. You can put whatever you want to here. Okay, whatever video you want here, you can print and type in whatever you want it to say right here. Put your own background. Let me show you that right fast. That's pretty nice. Okay, we're creating a new funnel. Okay. We'll give the page a title, the background URL, which is cool. It has some that's already there for you, but you can add your own, okay? You can definitely add your own background to it, okay? So we'll just do one. We'll just go with this one right here. We'll copy it. We'll copy that, and then we'll get rid of that here. Let's see, okay. And then we'll just paste that there, okay. And then we'll background color. We'll make that. Let's see, the ocean color. So I'll say like blue, maybe right there, okay. And then web page title. We'll just say get leads. Okay. And let's see, text color, okay, we'll make that black, or we can make it white, you know, so it doesn't matter. We'll make that white or gray. This is the input box glow color. So that's a little box on the bottom where it says name, email, phone number. It's got a little glow, a little outline, right? We'll make that green, okay. And then you can add your company logo URL. Before video content, we'll just say keep it simple, get fresh leads, okay. And then we'll add our own video, get the embed code. So we'll do that real fast. I'll show you that. Okay, I'm just gonna pick a video. You can use a video of your choice from YouTube, especially one that you've made. Just make a video, download it to YouTube, and you can get the embed code. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and right click my mouse and see where it says get embedded code. We'll get that, okay. Okay, I guess it's already copied there, I believe. We'll just copy, just to be on the safe side. And then we'll go back to our sales funnel creator. And we'll just paste the embedded code right in there. Okay. And then after video content, we'll say okay. And then redirect button, we can have that say show me more, apply now, join now, whatever we want. We'll just say get started now in yellow, okay. And then autoresponder type, we'll put that in there. We'll put in get response. Form your own HTML code. Yeah, that's your you get that from your autoresponder, okay. And also the redirect URL once they fill in the information. Where do you want to send them to? Okay, pretty much. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I'm in my get response count, and that shows up on the first page, your code for your autoresponder. So I'll just copy that. I'll go back here, and I'll just put that in there. Paste. Okay, now our redirect URL, what do we want it to land at after they fill in their information, after they opt in, okay? Where's the page going to go? Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so we'll just paste in our redirect URL. Okay, phone field. Okay, you make the phone field where it says name, email, and phone number. The phone field can be optional. You can leave it out because some people, they feel kind of obligated and pressure when you ask them for their phone number, because the first thing they think is you're going to be, calling them up all the time. So some people like leaving the phone number. That's fine. But like I said, the best thing to do is go ahead and ask for it anyway, because you never know. Okay, so we'll just say no phone field. And then once they enter their information and get their access code in their email box, whatever you want, this is what you can tell it to say. This is your access code, whatever. So that's pretty self-explanatory right there. And then you can add an optional page 3 with another video, which is cool. We're just gonna go ahead and create this funnel. Let's see, they'll name it. Okay, web page title, get leads. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just watch this here. Whoops, wait a minute, what happened? Okay, I guess I forgot to put in my autoresponder HTML code. So everything looks good. Okay, so we'll try that again. What the heck? Okay, hold on for a second. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I got the right HTML code now. Okay, and make sure we turn this off if we're not going to use a third page. Activate third page, no. Okay, now let's try this again. Okay, create sales funnel. Okay. And there we go, September 8th, get leads. We'll go ahead and that's the link to the sales funnel. Okay. You can use your own domain name, however you want to do it. We'll just go ahead and click that, check it out. And there it is, okay. Got our video there. Get leads. Of course, I use too light of a color there. So I actually want to make that black, I would guess, okay, because the background is white. I forgot about that. So it's pretty cool. Glowbox, get started now. And then once that happens, it's gonna, ask you for your name and information. It's gonna send you to a different website of your choice. Okay, so that's cool there. And we also want to go to the last thing is the on-demand webinars, which is very similar to creating your sales funnel. It's just that let's see if I can just go to one. That's a webinar. You can webinar page. It looks a little different. It's a little clearer.
Hello and welcome to this call. My name is Scott A.G.
Okay, I need to turn this off here.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so the webinars, you can have controls on them or not. You can stop it or you just keep playing. What's cool about this is you can actually set the webinar to whatever time you want. Let's go back here. Let's see here. We'll just go to create a new webinar, okay? And you can say play all the time or select days to play it. Of course, the video that you want to put up there, the height. You can allow controls, yes or no, okay, which means that you can't pause it. So you can actually do a webinar ahead of time, and then, you can email your people or your clients or your prospects and say, watch the webinar, and, it'll look like it's live, you know what I'm saying, because you can't pause it, you can't stop it, and it's only going to start at a certain time. Let's say, yeah, watch the webinar on Monday night at, 7 p.m. So we'll go Monday, boom, 7 p.m., and they put all the information in, the colors, and what you're going to use for your backgrounds. Now, just so you know, these backgrounds here, you don't have to use the ones that are included with the software. You can actually use your own, okay? And it's fairly easy to do that. You can just have to use PhotoBucket and get the free pictures from Google Images and, do it that way. So it's very easy. You can add your own. So that's pretty much the bulk of this software. As you can see, it's outstanding. Like I said, I only use it for basically for phone broadcasting and sending out postcards, and I've got that great turnaround with that. So I really love this software. So I'm going to also show you how you can offer this software and make some extra money. Okay, as far as being a sales associate. Okay, and so I'm going to get into that in the next video, and I'm going to show you the compensation plan. And it's going to this didn't blow you away. The compensation plan is really going to blow you away. Okay. So stay tuned and watch the next video.